Pioneering hearing technology that protects and enhances Apple AirPods Pro 2 revolutionize audio wellness with the world's first all-in-one hearing health experience. Enjoy a clinically validated hearing test and real-time protection that adapts to your environment, delivering comfort, awareness, and confidence in every sound. Smart noise control that listens intelligently block twice as much background noise with upgraded active noise cancellation. Switch effortlessly to transparency mode to hear your surroundings. Adaptive audio dynamically blends both, while conversation awareness lowers your volume when someone speaks near you. It's smart, seamless, and incredibly human. Pure audio excellence with the H2 chip. Powered by Apple's advanced H2 chip, AirPods Pro 2 deliver rich, cinematic sound. From crystal clear highs to powerful bass, every detail is vivid. Voice isolation ensures your calls sound sharp, even in chaotic, noisy environments. Sound has never felt this personal. A perfect fit for every ear shape. With 4 sizes of soft silicone tips, XSL, enjoy a secure, all-day fit tailored just for you. The custom acoustic seal blocks out distractions, boosts bass, and ensures comfort, no matter how long you wear them or where you go. Built to withstand life's messy moments. IP54 rated for dust, sweat, and water resistance, AirPods Pro 2 and the MagSafe case are made to go where you go. From workouts to downpours, enjoy peace of mind knowing your sound won't skip a beat, no matter the conditions. Personalized spatial audio, tailored just for you. Feel like you're inside the music with sound tuned to your ear shape. Personalized spatial audio and dynamic head tracking deliver a fully immersive 3D listening experience, especially in Dolby Atmos music, shows, and movies. It's surround sound redefined. Intuitive touch and Siri control at your fingertips. Control your audio with a simple swipe or press on the stem. And when Siri speaks, nod yes or shake no to respond. It's effortless interaction designed for real life. No buttons, no interruptions, just smooth, natural control. All-day power, anytime, anywhere. Get up to 6 hours of uninterrupted listening with noise cancellation active, and up to 30 hours using the case. Whether commuting, traveling, or working, AirPods Pro 2 keep your soundtrack alive with battery life that truly lasts. A smarter, stronger charging case. Track your earbuds with precision finding, hear alerts through the built-in speaker, and carry them with ease using the lanyard loop. Charge however you like, Apple Watch charger, USB-C, MagSafe, or Qi. Convenience meets capability in every detail.